The controversy over a massive American flag in Statesville is continuing. Now the city has reportedly filed a lawsuit to force Camping World to take down its flag. The company posted this message to its Facebook page, blasting the city for seeking an injunction to require Gander RV in Statesville to take down its American flag. It says the city is fining the company $50 a day dating back to October 15th of last year. That's nearly $11,000. Camping World's Facebook post says the fight is about more than the flag. It's about veterans, and they are the reason the company will not take it down. There's now this online petition. So far, about 4,000 people have signed it in support of the company. Channel 9 has covered this debate for years. In 2015, the state said the store could not fly the flag, citing a city ordinance that said flags can't be larger than 8 by 12 feet. Despite that, the store put its 40 by 80 foot flag up anyway. The company's CEO has even asked the public to help change the ordinance. We've reached out to officials with Camping World and city leaders for a response to this new lawsuit. So far, we have not heard back.